Okay guys, so let's continue. Now I will just make simply a quick access to some primitive like sphere, cube, cylinder and a plane. Okay, but I will custom them a bit. So one click call the primitive, but not for this one, not for these two. I will make some custom, because here if I click, by default I have 20 subdivision axes. Okay, I need to switch between 8, 12, 16, etc. Okay, so in order to be quick, I will just come here, clean that, history echo all. Okay, I will change, for example, outside 12. No, sorry. I will just make a create and copy this line, which is the line for create a cylinder. Okay, now I come here, edit, in the pop-up menu, create a new layer, and we will paste this line. We will just change the subdivision axis value. Okay, here is 20. Okay, so I will rename this one 20, copy, and just copy paste and change value. So 22, one more, 26. Okay, it's good. So here is 22, 26, nice. Same for low value, like 8. Let's say I need also 12 and 60, and last one will be this. Okay, so yes, here quickly rename. Oh, this one. Oh, fuck. I make a mistake and don't correctly save my script. I don't know why. Okay. I need to hit enter, in fact. It's why that don't works. Come here, enter, and here. Enter. Just, you can of course rearrange those. Okay, so now just one more here for the 8 value, and here we are. Okay, now it's good, and now I just need to make a right click, and as you can see, I can choose between my different axis value. Quite useful. The same for the plane. We will do it together, of course. Just create one, copy the line code. Here I will just define, first set my preference as 1, and here a more larger plane like this. I don't know if I click again. No, that will not work. Okay, so let's say here we want we say a 10 by 10 and a 1 by 1 subdiv axis. This is my default plane value, but what I will change here is the axis x, right, or z, sorry. So here is the x, y, so x, the y axis, enter. One more, I will copy this one to paste here, and this time 0, 1, 0, 0 for x, and of course 0, 0, one for Z. We'll rearrange this one. Okay, and now I can quickly create a plane in the right direction. Okay. Here, things to sometimes make saved all shade in case Maya will crash. Okay, now we will start to add some modeling tool. So let's come here. First, I will add some tool here, and all the tool I will add in the shelf, in fact, will be all the tool that on which I don't set an hotkey. Okay. For example, I will not add extrude, multicut, bevel, extra here, because I will call this tool with an hotkey, but some tool like combine, separate, or thing like that will not have an hotkey, and I like to come here and click. So I choose to work like that. For example, we will add fill all, reduce no, smooth no. Mirror can be useful. It's a new tool, really great. And for here, it's nice. It's okay. No, bevel we will add a hotkey. No. The connect, no. The detach, yes. I will add extrude, no. Hotkey for that. For now, I just add with you, duplicate, and extract. Okay. Here we are. So fill all, it's great. Nothing to change. I will just customize this one, the extract one. You already may know this tool. You come here and you made an extract, and it will extract, okay, the mesh. Here, the difference between these two is that here, as you see, it extracts in the same shape, but of course the difference is that the second one will extract, if I reach to select, in a new shape. Problem is that you see when you made that, you don't have, it don't come back in object mode, it keep on transform mode. It's boring because we need to switch into object mode, and you have history, and you have no center axis here. You see, I need to manually center my axis. So it's why I create, or I found a little extract script. We will copy and add to this one here. I will replace this by the script. Okay. And now let's look at the script. One click, no history, and here object mode directly. You can move instantly. Center pivot. Okay. If you need to keep the ability to transform an offset of your selection, no problem. You always have the transform tool here, and you can do the same. Okay. I prefer to work like that because I can just come here, boom, and directly move my my pieces in a new mesh without any history. So is quick, is faster, I think. So here, good. Next, I like to add one more tool. Yes, for example, here you can made an edge loop by double click. Okay, it's nice. Here we can add double click. We can add. Okay, nice. But sometimes I like to just select. So I will go in wireframe, select some edge. It's quick. It's better. With a tablet is sometimes it's difficult to make a double click. So I like to do that. Then go to selection, convert selection to edge loop, and like that it will automatically perform an edge loop on all the select edge. Okay, so I like to add this guy here. Now a little tips for visual. You see some old tool from the old Maya user interface are not convert and redesign. Okay, it's quite it's not looking great here. So a tips is to find another tool that I will not add here and just use this icon. For example, here I have this one, insert edge loop tool icon, which is great and can be also an icon for this tool. So the tips is to come here, add, edit, shelf, and look at the icon name because it's a Maya default install icon. So just copy the poly split edge ring name. You can delete this one, go on this one, edit, and here we will need in Maya factory icon browser and add infinite board, and we will automatically find the icon. And now I have a nice clean icon for my edge loop conversion here. Now, other really important tools are all about, you know, everything about a normal angle. You know, the smoothing group is in mesh display. If you want harden edge, if you want soften edge, if you want the set normal angle, really important tool. So I will add this 3-1. And also really important thing is about normal side. You know, it's black on off side of a polygon and it's in red color on the on side. If you want to switch between, you have this tool to allow the viewport to show or not show the two-side lighting. Okay, I like this because it's easier to debug. For example, here I immediately see that my mesh is wrong because the faces are wrong. So important to have the reverse normal button here. We can add to. Okay, now other important little tool, it's all about how to show hide a mesh. Okay, of course we have the isolate here, so it's nice, we can isolate a selection, great, but you should work in combination of this isolate with all the displayed mode, hide by selection, hide and show here. So by default hide selection is Control H. I will change this. So we'll come in the window setting and we will start to add a bit more hotkeys. So just load it. First hotkey, I will make an hotkeys to call the hotkeys editor. So hotkeys editor, I will make a Shift O. Yes, thanks. Saved. Then you say yes, hide. Hide, not Control H, too complicated. I will just make toggle visibility and keep selection. Ah, yes. So no, it's true that they change. If you call H, yes, nice. H is already by default the right. H you will hide and you will show the selection. So we will keep like that. So no need to hide selection. Hide unselected object. Alt H, I will keep that by default also. Alt H, I will hide unselected. So I like that. What I need is now display show selection and show all. If I don't have the hotkeys editor with me, I can quickly hide. I can quickly hide with Control H or Alt H, and when I want, I can select hide object, so show all here. So the nice thing is with that is to combine with isolate. For example, I can come and hide that, and in this I can come and say, oh, I just want to isolate the cube, work on the cube and come back, but you always hide the hide. So it's two level of hide possibility. So no need to custom hotkeys, sorry. Great. Here, of course, the icons are bad, so same thing, we will come custom them quickly. I grab the, in old you have the Xgen icon. There's the Maya default Xgen, and we have some eyes icon. iPhones are great. So this one, for example, and here for all. So old Xgen, I will made this one. Okay, nice. Then I like to add quickly the UV editor. And what's interesting? Yes, in deform, some nice deform tool like the lattice, of course, really important tool. Lattice, I think by default, I don't like the setting. I want a setting of 222. So I will custom that here. I will make a setting by default of 222. Just apply. And now, if you make your shortcut here after that, you have the nice setting, okay, on this icon. And also a nice deformer I like is the non-linear, the bend tool, really useful. I'm sure you know this one, so I don't need to show you. And one final last is the Arnold render view. The better is to come here and switch in Arnold. Of course, for this one, I have a little icon. I think it's this one. Nice. Can quickly launch my Arnold APR. To finish our shelf customization, I will show you a tiny little script. Is separator UI. So right click, edit notepad. Here the instruction for installation. So copy the mail in document Maya script. Okay. Copy the separator icon. It's already done with the icon folder I give you. This is already done. Restart Maya. Okay. So I will copy my docs Maya 2.0 script and call here. Then type separator UI. I copy in the mail script. So that will work. And boom, you have create separator. No need to restart Maya for me. Okay, I will just give it a separator icon folder. A quick, nice. Okay, I will create a new shelf I call tools, which is all my script plugin tools. Okay, shelf editor, and come just after save. So I will middle mouse button drag this one here. What is the create separator? It's quite simple. You just come on the shelf you want, and you can add some separator icon to organize your shelf. Quite simple, nothing fancy. And like that, yes, I can, for example, add a color separator. So here is my my display setting, here's my mesh, is my my modeling tool, my UV, my display. You can a bit organize if you want to be clean. For example, here. Ah no, you need to click. Sorry. Here, my deform tool, and it sounds good. Yes, one orange here for my display and mesh tool. Nice, we have a nice shelf icon here.